Hey guys, how are you doing today? I hope you're well. Today I'm going to show you how fix most middle click is not working on Windows 10. Without wasting time, let's start video. Please don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you very much. First of all, you should go through search bar, and after that you should type mode, and then double click on that, and you should find additional mouse options. Double click on that, and you should find well, and be sure these two options should be 3, and OK. And after that you should go to my computer and right click on this PC here, then manage, click on manage, and then you should find device manager, double click on that. Okay, you should find mouse here, expand it, and after that right click on that, and then uninstall device. You should click on uninstall device. After this part, your mouse not working, you should restart your computer, and after that your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss update. Take care. Bye.